Let's talk about Rome. Rome is the capital city of Italy. Rome has a 2,000-year history. Ancient buildings and ruins can be found all over the city. The Colosseum is Rome's most famous landmark. It is a large amphitheater built almost 2,000 years ago. Gladiators once fought inside the Colosseum. Today, millions of tourists visit it each year. The Trevi Fountain is a beautiful fountain in Rome. You can throw a coin and make a wish. Vatican City is located inside Rome. It is the smallest country in the world and home of the Pope. Inside Vatican City is the Sistine Chapel. Millions of people visit it each year. Italian food is very famous. In Rome, you can eat fresh pasta, pizza, and gelato. Roman pizza is thin and crispy. It is different from pizza in other parts of Italy. Cacio e pepe is a Roman pasta dish. It is made with just cheese and black pepper. Rome has many piazza, open public squares where people sit, eat, and relax. They are the heart of city life. Rome's streets are paved with old stone. Walking in the city feels like stepping into history. Rome is a busy city, full of cars, scooters, and people. It is loud and exciting. Rome is the eternal city. Its history, food, and art make it a great destination.